Be sure to watch till the end for what this mysterious character is, but cover this realistic right here. Yes. Interestingly, just see what happened. Alright, that's the ocean real quick, and yes, see that, and then just waves. Now paint the sand here, sandy beach. Again, this is the Milky Way. And this is surface, okay. Alright, here you go. Sand, use this little. There you go. Aluminum foil. Maybe I'm rolling it a little bit just to experiment and see. Okay. Alright, there you go. Sandy beach. I'm gonna go back to my brush thing here. Toothbrush. In terms of texture, really detailed with this one. So all I'm gonna do here, just gonna boom, and we're done basically with the background. And add some more cloud action here, a little mini sponge. As you can see, a little more cloud, just to kind of make it more distinguishable. More cloud here, but just to suggest. And this place actually was inspired little area that we found right here. Let's say, you know, I'll get into that here. We're gonna create a tree, black and umber action. Let's see. This nice little curve. Nice little curve. What do you think? We found this place. We're on vacation with my family, and yeah, I didn't expect this tree to be there. And that's how it was. And it was very relaxing, but very windy day. For sure. Yeah, so I think so far, I think it's a pretty good piece as it is. If you were to just kind of say, hey, I'm done, Sam, looks pretty good to me. But hey, remember that mystery character that I told you about from the beginning? And I did a little masking tape here. If you want to stick around and see, it's hidden right here. I think it's right here, right there. Oh, I see. Shirt and oh, I see her hair. Oh, look at, who is this person here? Wow. Obviously some sort of a swing. So here's a little girl on a swing. Actually, this is my daughter who was enjoying the swing that we found on that little shore of Oahu a couple years ago on that vacation to Hawaii. So let's try to mask this now. Mask this. But, there you go. There you go. Yes, for you. If you like to see how I created this, just watch till the end as a bonus, and you'll see how I create this piece for you. And I hope you enjoy this piece.